In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a vignette effect to your design step by step. This is a super useful technique if you want to draw attention to the center of your image, create depth, or just give your artwork a more professional and cinematic look. I'll walk you through two methods, including how to apply a vignette to both simple canvases and complex vector shapes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. We're going to start with the radial gradient method, which is the most common and beginner-friendly way to create a vignette. First, select the rectangle tool by pressing R on your keyboard, then draw a rectangle that covers your entire canvas or image. Make sure snapping is enabled in the top right corner so your rectangle aligns perfectly with the edges of your workspace. Next, open the Fill and Stroke panel by pressing Ctrl-Shift-F. In this panel, switch to the radial gradient option. You'll immediately see a gradient applied to your rectangle. If the colors look inverted, go up to the top toolbar and click Reverse Gradient to fix the direction. Now press G to activate the gradient tool. You'll see a center point and handles extending outward. Click on the center handle, then lower the alpha value all the way down to 0 so the middle becomes completely transparent. After that, click on the outer handles and set their color to black or a dark shade. And make sure the alpha is set to full so the edges are solid. At this point, you already have a basic vignette, but we can refine it further. Double-click along the gradient line to add extra nodes, also known as stops. This lets you control how quickly or smoothly the darkness fades from the edges to the center. Play around with these stops until the transition feels natural. To finish this method, go to the bottom of the Fill and Stroke panel and adjust the overall opacity. Lowering the opacity will soften the vignette and make it blend more naturally with your image. Now let's look at how to apply a vignette to a complex or irregular vector shape. If you're not working with a simple rectangle, start by selecting your object and pressing Ctrl-D to duplicate it. This duplicate will be used for the vignette effect. With the duplicated shape selected, repeat the same radial gradient steps we just covered. Because this is an exact copy, the vignette will perfectly match the shape of your original object. Use the gradient tool again by pressing G and adjust the handles so the darker edges align nicely with the outer boundaries of your shape. This ensures the vignette follows the contours of your design. If you notice any parts of the gradient spilling outside the shape, you can fix that using clipping. Place another copy of your original shape on top, select both the vignette and the top shape, and press Ctrl-M to set the clip. If you ever need to undo this, just press Alt-M to release the clip. And that's it. You now know how to add a vignette effect using both simple and advanced methods. This is a small detail that can make a huge difference in your designs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.